My name is Audra Fordin, the owner of Great Bear Auto Repair and Auto Body Shop in Flushing, Queens, and the founder of What Women Auto Know. Today we're talking about winterizing and preparing your tires for the cold weather. By looking at your tread, by looking at the tire wear indicator, you'll know that you will be able to maintain traction on the road during the mud and the snowy weather. Because we don't typically change tires anymore into what old school snow tires and chains unless we're in heavy snow regions, well, manufacturers have designed all-season radial, and it's written on the tire where you can see they're all-season and designed for mud and snow. Another really great tip would be to rotate your tires. That will prolong their life and give you even tire wear. Some tires are rotational, so you can only rotate them from front to back. Otherwise, you can move them all around, and you're going to get at least 3 times tire life out of them. Another really great tip is, well, lubricate the rubber. Because the sidewalls get dry, especially if it's sitting in the same spot and constantly being, well, affected by the sun, it gets brittle and becomes weak. So using a lubricant and keeping them moist will also prolong the life of your tire and keep you safe in the winter. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out about.com. Drive safe.